Okay, welcome to a little video for this Mini 2 4K drone from DJI. Nice little bit of kit, still got some original stickers on. Blades are all in really good condition, plus all the accessories that you've seen in the video, well, in the listing. So double press, one short press, one long press, fires up everything. And I've got my phone mounted on here, so let me know which cable you require just to mount your phone to the controller. Let's put it into cine mode as we're flying inside, so the app will launch automatically, he says. Let's get rid of the auto rotate. So this little metal plinth is mine, it won't come included. It's a really nice little accessory addition to the setup, because it actually raises the phone off the controller, and then you can independently swivel the phone to your own ideal setting. So let's just have a look what we've got. We've got camera view, and then we can move the gimbal up and down like so. We've got no GPS, so let's just fly with caution. Yeah, that's fine. So to arm the drone, simply just put the sticks down to the bottom right hand corners. Sorry, the opposing corners. I keep saying that. I've still got that little sticker on, so just be aware. So just increase the stick. We'll pop her up. The sensor works underneath, automatically raising the drone. Nice and quiet. All spinning and moving in the yaw axis. And there we go. There's me filming you. Hello. Dead easy to fly. Make sure you've got all the settings right. Make sure you set up the drone to your liking. Forwards, backwards. This one's just moving a little bit sensitively. It might benefit from the settings just resetting when you get it, but that's quite a nice controllable, beautiful hover, nice and stable, and about 20 odd minutes of flight if you are giving it some beans. There we go, thanks for watching.